Welcome to the build phase of the MadLearn platform. Content is king when creating an informational app. This section has 8 templates. The templates vary in levels of sophistication and functionality. Correct template selection is key. Let's explore how this phase is organized. 8 templates are found on the left side of the screen. Each has its own tutorial. To open a template, unlock the list by clicking the Add Screen button above those template icons. Once unlocked, a template and its editor can be opened by clicking it. Editors can appear on either the right side, as you see here, or both. No matter what template you use, your first step is to assign a screen name. After you enter a screen name, click anywhere and you'll see this message. To see screens you've already created, click the My Screens button at the bottom. Click on the desired thumbnail image and you can now return to it for further editing. Now you're ready to look at each template individually.